Bonjour, comment allez-vous? This is the Crypto Kid podcast, and today we discuss Microstrategy's Bitcoin playbook is driving bull targets today. So happy Monday, everyone. It is November 25th, 2024. Thanksgiving is coming up this Thursday here in the United States. And let's check out the price of Bitcoin right now. Right now, there's a market sell-off with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is down to the price of $94,721. And let's see where Ethereum is. Both currencies are holding their own. Yes, Ethereum is up $104 to the price of 3,466 US dollars. Let's check out Bitcoin news right now. Okay. Investors Daily. I'm going to have pop-ups from all these different websites, but this is coming from investors.com. Microstrategy's Bitcoin blueprint prompts major target hikes. So let's see here. This article is by Harrison Miller. MicroStrategy stock reversed lower Monday despite a series of hefty price target hikes as Michael Saylor's software company continues its Bitcoin buying spree. Meanwhile, Bitcoin retreated after nearly hitting 100,000 US dollars. That is one of the headlines. Let's find some other Bitcoin headlines here. We're checking out Forbes. Forbes headline is Bitcoin nears $100,000. Ledger's big break. CNBC, Bitcoin's march to $100,000 stalls. Here's what's keeping it below the milestones. And then let's check out Cointelegraph. Bitcoin sees new 90K BTC price target as 3% dip sparks liquidations. What's interesting, man, is how if you Google for top stories, CNBC is up here at the top along with Forbes and Cointelegraph. And 4 weeks ago, CNBC was only talking about these fake headlines that Kamala Harris was leading in the polls. Now they've switched over to reporting on Bitcoin, and they're at the top of the top stories. The politics of media and social media is crazy, but it is what it is. And let me, just so you can see this, you know what? I want to share my screen so you can actually see this here. I'm not joking. So we're going to go to Bitcoin news. Okay, and I'm sharing my screen. And so as I scroll down, you can see these are the top stories. And to the left, we have Cointelegraph. To the right, we have Forbes. And right beneath Forbes, we have the CNBC article. Just so you know that I'm not joking. Let's look at the charts for Ethereum as well. Let me scroll down so you can see my screen. So currently, Ethereum is trading at 3,466 US dollars, and it looks like it's going to go up a few more dollars as well. Let's look at the price over the last 5 days. As we can see, last Thursday, Bitcoin was trading at $3,069. Then later on in the day, it spiked up to 3,354 US dollars. It's been steady. Then on Saturday, it spiked up to 3,472 US dollars. Then it took a dip yesterday on Sunday down to 3,305 US dollars and 68 cents. And now today is hit a local high of 3,484 US dollars and currently is trading at $3,468.92 in US dollars. Now, let's do the same thing for Bitcoin. Let's look at the 5-day price. Let me scroll down here. If we go back to Thursday, Bitcoin was trading at $94,798.56 early in the morning. Then it spiked up to $98,019.73. Then on Friday, it hit a new high of $98,966.71. Then on Friday, later on in the evening, it got to its total high of $99,266.09. And then on Saturday, you begin to see the sell-off. It's just simply overseas investors taking their profits. It dipped to the price of $98,377.90. Then on Saturday, it dipped even lower, $97,197.27. Then on Sunday, that's when people really started selling off and taking their profits. It dipped to the price of $95,763.27. And currently it is trading at $94,652.44 in US dollars. And so, but in general, market sentiment is very positive. In particular, in relationship to crypto, Donald Trump nominated a investment hedge investor to be Secretary of Treasury. And this investment hedge fund person is pro-crypto. And so that is very positive. So the market sentiment, we should not see Bitcoin drop below 90,000 US dollars. And if in fact it does, don't panic. Just be aware that that's just simply investors taking their profits. And you know, for this program, the Crypto Kid, I noticed my banner is a different color, and I did not do that. So I got to figure out how to switch that. It turned my banner to black. But if you look here, you know what? I did probably do that. Let's see here. This is me. Okay. Ooh, I can start adding countdowns on here. So I'm still learning how to use StreamYard. That's what I'm doing right now. There is background music. So I just need to explore, and I got to figure out how my Crypto Kid symbol changed. And it must have been when I was looking at what the options were. I must have hit a button because you can see Crypto Kid TV, but normally the banner itself is blue. And when I look at it, it shows it blue to me. But when I look at the screen, it is showing it as black. So I need to improve that. But anyway, remember, this podcast is targeted to investors who are 18 to 50 years old. They're crypto enthusiasts looking to get into the crypto game, middle class, upper class, or maybe you're working class and you've inherited a nest egg, or you have been able to hustle from 2 jobs post-COVID and save a nest egg to yourself. And now you want to know, what should I do with it? Should I do stock options? Stock options are definitely a way to build some great wealth. Right now, cryptocurrency seems to be one of the hottest ways to build wealth if you choose the correct cryptocurrencies. You vet them out. Or I'm a technical trader, so I always use technical charts. But I always say, even as a technical investor, you always have to factor in political and financial headlines into your decision making. Bitcoin ETFs are the hot thing. So it seems right now in the crypto market that Bitcoin ETFs and meme coins are where you see a lot of investors making some very handsome profits. So that is a good place to start. Also, I always talk about the security of your digital wallet. You want to get you a cold storage wallet. You you can do purchases with your cell phone, but I do not recommend keeping your digital wallet on your cell phone, in particular if you have an iPhone. There's just too much communication between different software apps, and it creates a potential portal. And as I say this, it says Ethereum and meme coins in the White House. This is from Bitcoin News. Trump's $5.43 million crypto portfolio swells. So this is coming live as I'm streaming right now from Bitcoin News, and I'll read it again. This is coming from Google Chrome. Ethereum and meme coins in the White House. Trump's $5.43 million crypto portfolio swells, and that is coming from Bitcoin.com. So yeah, I would encourage you to check that headline out. Go to news.bitcoin.com and you can check out that article for yourself. With that, this is the Crypto Kid signing out. I keep reminding everyone that we will have an upcoming live interview with Kali Muscle, and he is my new business partner. And we're both monetized on social media. We'll be discussing monetization on social media as well as cryptocurrency. Kali Muscle has 2 crypto coins of his own. One of them we will be discussing is the Kali Muscle Ethereum coin. So look for that upcoming interview. We're just trying to figure out which date is going to be. It will not be this week since this is Thanksgiving and we are extremely busy, but it will be coming up soon. So look for that. And always remember, the future is crypto.